Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you step by step how to properly clean the print heads and run a color test on an Epson printer, model L1250, without using a computer. Before we begin, I invite you to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to receive more tutorials like this one. Now, let's get started. At some point, it is common for printers to have color issues, broken lines, incomplete colors, or colors that do not print at all. On screen, you can see a clear comparison. On the left, a correct print. On the right, a print with defective colors. Next, I will explain how to fix this problem in a simple and effective way. First, make sure the printer is turned on. Then press and hold the cancel button for 5 seconds until the power light starts blinking. This will start a deep printhead cleaning process. The process takes approximately 5 minutes. During this time, allow the printer to complete the process without interruption. When the cleaning process is finished, the green power light will stop blinking. This indicates that the process has been completed successfully. Now turn off the printer. Load paper into the tray and, with the printer turned off, press and hold the power button and the cancel button at the same time for 3 seconds. The printer will print a color test page. Here, you should check whether the colors are printing correctly and confirm if the cleaning was effective. That's all for this video. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next tutorial.